Maria, nice to see you again. Welcome back to the channel.
Hi, Philip. Thank you very much for inviting me again.
You're very welcome. So, Maria, as our branding expert, brand consultant expert, it would be great if you could tell us about how to make brands accessible today.
Well, the most important thing is to realize that a brand for a business is a reason to exist, a vision for the future, and a story that resonates with other humans. So my role as a brand consultant is to clarify all those concepts and to humanize their brands and make it more accessible and approachable. I listen often their misperception that the brand is name or the brand is just a logo, but those are just a manifestation of the brand. And at the end of the day, a brand is why you do certain things that you do. So it is a sort of the what, the how, and the most importantly, the why your brand exists. The brand dictates all in from my point of view. For companies, they need to be most of the time easier to figure it out what they are as opposite to what they are perceived. That is two different things. The brands, of course, needs to have values like being not pretentious, but thinking always in the benefits to offer to the customers, following their aspiration. That is very important, and to make them feel happy. So all the steps that I am normally doing with my clients to aim that is making them to keep the value promise of the company and the products, and have the clear mind of the consumers, the make the brand have an approachable perception, bringing more satisfaction related to brand awareness. Basically, this is what I am doing during my process.
Excellent, excellent. Well, thank you very much for telling us about that process. I suppose that now more than ever, being able to take this time to reflect on what our brand means, what our brand stands for, is really quite important, so that we can actually start reorienting and correcting the message that we're putting out there. That's really interesting. Thank you very much for sharing
You're
with us.
welcome, Philip. You're welcome.
So, if people want to get in touch with you, how can they get in touch as one of our partners on GreatBrands.net?
They can contact me on my LinkedIn profile for the moment. My name is Maria Lucia Romero, so you can contact me there.
Excellent. Well, we're looking forward to having you back on the channel. Thanks a lot for taking the time today.
Thank you very much. Bye, Philip.
Bye bye.